Oh, we're already out here cutting some trees down. Our intentions are to get that big one out. I'm sure you guys can't even hear me right now, so we'll edit over this chainsaw noise with some sound. Alright, started recording late. We got a tree down already. We just pushed that guy over with a little bit of a back cut on it, and we're going to be processing and cleaning it up. What's up?
He keeps your profile on it?
So this part was pretty cool. One of the first things I did is I had a brand new still was get it pinched in the log as I was cutting it down to size the move. So that's how it goes. Saw's fine.
Cut that one off real quick and that'll probably...